going live. Okay, big deep breath. You know, I do videos all the freaking time, yet for some reason doing it live and going straight to Facebook has filled me with all sorts of apprehension and fear and terrifyingness. So I'm hoping that a few people will turn up, because I think that's my biggest fear, is that I'm going to do a Facebook Live and nobody's going to turn up. So if you're on the call, please let me know. Just going to play with some video buttons to see if I can start seeing some comments come through, because I can't see anything yet. So don't quite know how you start seeing if people have turned up. Anywho, let's make this happen. So what I wanted to chat about and help people understand was you're probably going to get your Facebook feed, or if you're subscribed to lots of internet marketers, there's going to be quite a lot of talk about the announcements that Facebook made last week about changes yet again. And Facebook is awesome. It changes all the time. And sometimes we like the changes and sometimes we really don't like the changes. But we don't own Facebook. So if they want to make changes, then they can. So ha ha ha, that would be them being able to do what they want with their company and their business. So I've already seen quite a lot of social media content, and I've received a few emails this morning from lists that I'm subscribed to, warning me about the changes and helping me to be prepared for them and all of that sort of fear mongering that goes on. And I'm not going to be doing that. So I don't think that we have anything to be fearful about. But I do think that this is an awesome opportunity for us to just sit back and pause and reflect as to what the heck we do with this incredible platform called Facebook. And if anybody can let me know if I am supposed to be seeing comments and things and stuff coming through, I would really, really like that. So I'm just going to turn Facebook on my phone just in case there's something I'm doing wrong, because that would just be sickening if you're sitting there and I'm talking to you and I just can't work out how to talk to you. Is it telling me that I'm actually live? Because that would be weird if I'm not actually live. Oh, it's telling me I'm live and I'm the only person watching. Got it. Cool. Okay, so we need to understand, let's just back up again, that Facebook is a free platform. It's actually not our right for free publicity here on downtown Facebook. It is a massive community with a massive population. Oh, John, thank you. I'm so grateful. I don't care. I'll speak to one person. You've been in an event with me. You know that. Facebook, it is not our right for free publicity, okay? So the fact that marketers have learned how to help us monetize Facebook and use it for marketing purposes, yay, that is the gift that marketers bring to the world. But it's not our inalienable right. And many, many people have been complaining for a long time that Facebook has stopped being a community and a place to engage with friends and family, and it started being all about ads. And I have been saying for at least 12 months that Facebook business pages probably aren't worth a whole lot of time investment if you don't have one. There's not a lot of return on investment unless you're prepared to spend hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in advertising on Facebook each month. So for me, over the last couple of, probably the last 12 months, Facebook has become much more like a PR company, and you spend money to get your information seen. The other way you get it seen is by lots and lots and lots of engagement, and the other way you get it seen is by people sharing. Well, that's engagement anyway. So one of the things that came out last week is that business pages may become null and void, that they may not be something that Facebook wants to continue to promote. And that will probably mean that those of us with business pages who want our content and we're still using Facebook as a part of our sales funnel are going to need to start spending money for our ads to be seen or for our boosted posts to be seen. So that's okay, but if that's not something you want to do, then you probably need to rethink what the purpose of your business page is. That's all we need to do, is start to rethink that. The other thing that was mentioned in the article that I read from Mr. Zuckerberg, apparently, I don't know how to verify this stuff, was that video is not getting the type of engagement that Facebook is used to on commentary and posts. So they're questioning the value of video on Facebook. Does that mean I think you should stop doing video? Not at all. I think video is an amazing way to connect with our prospective clients. You get to know, like, and trust people quickly using video. So why would we stop doing that? Whether or not Facebook wants to continue to promote video or what it does with that, I have no idea. I'm just letting you know the information. Okay, so I think if you've got a business page, do you need to stop using it? Well, I don't think so, but I want you to really question the value and the return on investment. You may not be spending money on it. How much friggin' time are you spending on it? Now, I don't have one for Purple Co. I spent years trying to make Facebook work for my clinical practice and I couldn't do it. That's not where those clients and those customers, because we have third-party payers involved, wanted to go to make decisions about using our services. Now, my Joe Muirhead business page, completely different, but I don't do a lot of selling here because I don't expect people to make buying decisions. So I was reflecting on this and thought, how do I help people understand what the usefulness of Facebook is? So I came up with 3 things that I think we can spend some time thinking about. One is, what do you personally use Facebook for? Hey, Deli. Oh, hey, Chris. Nice to see you. Woohoo! Yay! 3 people turned up. Woohoo! So what do you use Facebook for personally? Not for your business, but personally. When you go on Facebook and you're not working, what do you go there for? Are you going there to make buying decisions about services? Are you going there to make decisions, ask for recommendations? Are you going there to look for a therapist? Are you going there to look for food? Are you going there to make shopping decisions? What are you doing when you go to Facebook? So I think that gives us some really good insights into the way people use Facebook. So you know what you do when you go to Facebook. So what do your ideal clients do when they go to Facebook? So like I explained, for Purple Co, people who refer to Purple Co are on Facebook. I am connected to them, but they just weren't interested in connecting with me about work on Facebook. LinkedIn, however, is another story. I have had people get in touch with me from all over the world. I have received paid speaking gigs directly from LinkedIn. I have had new referrals come directly from LinkedIn. I have paid work coming directly from LinkedIn for Purple Co, for my clinical practice. So LinkedIn is a completely different kettle of fish and it works, but my audience, that's where they go to work. They don't go to Facebook to work. They go to Facebook to hang out. So I need to have a completely different conversation with them and not be trying to sell them rehab services. I like to let them know what we're doing and how awesome we are and how we're improving all the time. But I'm not going to be saying to them the things on Facebook that I say on LinkedIn, which is basically download this awesome ebook that I wrote, because if you give it to your clients, it's going to revolutionize the way they recover. So once we know what you go there for, what do you go to Facebook for, and you've got a clear understanding of what do your ideal clients go to Facebook for, then you can start making some questions or have some thoughtful conversation about whether or not Facebook needs to be a part of your overall marketing strategy anyway. So like I said, for Purple Co, not a big deal. I spent more money, got very little return, if any, just headaches, heartache, disappointment. Don't really think they qualify as the returns on investment I was looking for. My Joe Muirhead stuff, however, that goes off whenever I post something new that I'm promoting. If I don't put it on Facebook, people are off and I didn't see it. But if I put it on Facebook, I did see it. So I know people are coming here to learn about practice building and about self-care and about how to avoid burnout and what's Joe doing today. So does Facebook even need to be a part of your sales funnel? It doesn't need to be for everyone. Serious. It's one option, it's one choice, it's not the thing that you need to be doing all the time. So I want you to think really carefully and clearly and thoughtfully. We are the experts in human behavior. That is our gift to the world as clinicians. So we need to understand the collective human behavior right down to our prospective clients on how they're using Facebook and whether Facebook is something that's going to be useful for us. So there you go. That's how I wanted to share This is Private Practice with you today. Yes, Facebook changes, but marketing has been changing for years and years and years. Thank you, Chris, for your comments. It's not going to stop changing because it's a population of people. And if you look at any population of people, large population of people, they're not going to stop changing. So if you want a set and forget approach to your marketing, Facebook probably isn't for you. In fact, online email marketing probably isn't for you. If you don't want to ever engage with anyone or have to build relationship with anyone, then marketing probably isn't for you. And good luck building your business. Sorry. Okay, guys, I have been talking for 11 minutes, which is a really long This is Private Practice. So I am hoping that I can finish this, and I'm hoping that I can press all the right buttons now to have done my first Facebook Live. Thank you so much that you turned up, John and Adele and Chris. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate it, and I've gotten over my incredible nerves about doing this live. I will talk to you later this week.